I have a Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 here, and I'm going to show you how to factory reset it if you forgot your password or your PIN, okay? Because the thing is, you first need to turn your tab off, but it's probably asking for your password. So, for example, let me go ahead and try to power off first. I'll press and hold the power button, volume down, and as soon as I try to power off, it's asking me for a password that I no longer have, or maybe it's not working for you or whatnot. We're going to go ahead and bypass this, okay? Okay, so how exactly are we going to bypass this? Okay, so listen very carefully. Now, this is what we have to do. It's 2 steps. The first thing that we got to do is we have to force your Tab S7 here to restart, okay? And how you do that, you press and hold the power button and volume down. You press and hold, and then just when it's about to do a forced restart, you want to quickly switch it to holding power button and volume up. So it's easier if we do it this way. We're going to hold down the, we're never going to let go of this power button, okay? So press and hold this power button, and then, I'm sorry, what we're going to do first is we're going to press and hold the power button, volume down. Press and hold buttons together. Do not let go. You probably want to wait about 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, only let go of the volume down, and then press and hold the volume up, never taking your finger off the power button, okay? So this will probably take you guys a few times. It may take me a few times as well. So let me try. This is my first time trying it on this tab, but let's see what happens here, okay? So I can't, I don't know my password, whatnot, or my PIN, or my swipe code. So first thing is force restart. So we're gonna do the power button and volume down. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons. Do not let go. Just wait till it's about to restart. Just wait. I'm still holding on both buttons. I'm still holding. Okay. Now I'm holding the volume up. I never took my finger off the power button. So I'm holding here. I'm not going to let go until we are actually in the Android recovery menu. So let's see if this works. If not, then I'll have to try it again. So I'm still holding the power button and the volume up now. I'm not sure. I'm still holding. Okay, I actually got it. Okay, so it usually takes me 2, 3, 4 times to do it. Okay, anyway, from here, what we want to do is just go down to where it says wipe data / factory reset right here. So you can use the volume rockers. You can go down, down, down to wipe data / factory reset. Also take note, you see this message down here in red. This is basically saying that if you had a Gmail or a Google email address synced to this tab, then you're going to have to use that password to continue the setup, okay? Anyway, so we're at wipe data / factory reset. If you want to proceed, you simply just tap to select it. You just tap on the power button here. So tap on the power button, and then this message here pops up basically saying this cannot be undone. So if you want to proceed, you just go down to where it says factory data reset, highlight that, and then you want to go ahead and tap on power, and it's going to go ahead and do a factory reset. So pretty simple to do. I'm not going to factory reset mine, so I'm just going to go ahead and cancel this, and I'm just going to go ahead and reboot this right now. Anyway, let me know if this worked for you guys. If you guys still have issues, just comment below, and let me know how many times it took you guys, okay? I did these videos on different like Android phones, other Samsung Galaxy phones, and some people, they took them like 9 or 10 times, okay? Anyway, thumbs up if it worked, okay? Good luck, guys.